Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sadia. Today I'm going to tell you another validation, required field validation in ASP.NET. How to use this. Let's see, this is a sample which is having a name label and a text box and a card type and a radio buttons, which is dinner, MasterCard, Visa, and a button submit. If I didn't enter any value in this text box or select any value in this and enter a submit button, it will show me a validation. This is called validations, and these are the signs that shows that these fields are required. You must enter a value in the following field: name and card type. Both types are must. If I write any name, for example let's say S, and then submit again, it will show me that it's necessary to provide a card type also. If I provide any card type and then submit, it will have taken all these values successfully. How these validations are put in ASP.NET, let's see how this is done. We have just a simple form having a table and a name, label name, and a text box with a txt name, and a required field validator is put on this text box. Required field validator ID is given. Control to validate which field we want to validate. We want this text field to validate, to check this validation, either it is provided or not. And for color will be red. Error message will be name. What error message is showing will be name, and text will be that star that is showing that these are the necessary fields to be provided. Another is next is the card type, and a radio button with the ID name is this R list type, having a list items, diners, MasterCard, Visa, and then radio button is closed. And again put it a validation of this radio button. Required to control to validate is this radio button ID given here, and error message will be card type, initial value, no value will be given, and the text is, this text will be put on this radio button. Then a button submit, and then after giving this we have a validation summary. We have to provide if we want at the end to provide a validation summary, that what will be the requirements. Here a validation summary will be provided. A control validation summary. Header text will be, you must enter a value in the following fields. For display mode, bullet button, bullet list, and enable client script 2. Whatever the validation is not provided, it will provide that summary. It will show us a summary of the required fields. This is how it is done, that if I do enter any value and submit, this is the validation summary, that it is that name is necessary to be given. If I provide all these names and then submit, the whole form is submitted successfully. This is how the validation works in ASP.NET. Thank you.